Hello friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can completely disable comments under some of your posts in Instagram app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes under this video, and also write your comments. So, let's get started with you and me. And when you friends on the Instagram app come to your page, let's say you'd like to disable comments under some post, or you'd like to do it under every post if you don't like, for example, people leaving comments on your page. To do this, you will need to open some post. Then click on the three dots above it. So you'll go to the post settings. And here you can easily find an option called Turn Off Comments. Click on that. And in just a second or two, you'll see that the comment option underneath your post has disappeared. I mean, look, under this post it's gone, but under all the other posts, in general, like Instagram, like everyone else has this feature. That is, you can easily turn it off. This way, no one will be able to leave absolutely no comment under your Instagram post. Here is such a very simple and quick way you can easily disable comments on Instagram. Friends, I really hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, also subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.